Hey everybody, welcome back. Nate here with Restoration Made Simple. Today I want to talk about the importance of getting online reviews. Most of the clients that we work with, when we ask them if they're actively soliciting or trying to get reviews, the answer is no. Let me just tell you right now, if you look at the way the direction of Google and everything else is going, reviews is how everybody makes decisions. It's also how Google decides how they're going to rank certain companies organically and also on Google Guarantee. So if your company is not actively getting reviews, I would strongly recommend that you start now. There's a lot of agencies out there that you can pay for that can make the process very, very simple. A company that we use here at Restoration Made Simple is called So Tell Us, and we can get you that information if you want it, but you don't need to use them. If money's tight, you can just have your guys do it and have a Google link and make sure the homeowner goes there, but make sure you're getting them. Now keep in mind there's lots of reviews. You can go to Facebook, you can go to Yelp. I really want to focus on Google reviews because that seems to be the biggest platform and it's where most people are going when they do a search for disaster cleanup. So get in the habit of getting reviews, have your technicians, have your sales reps get them, and know that it is the way the future is going as far as how people make decisions. If you like this little excerpt, go ahead and go to our website, restorationmadesimple.com, or follow us on YouTube. Thanks, guys. Bye.